After every day we finish the job, we need to do the keep with job to maintain the printing head wear without clog. Or after long time not use, for example, after half day you not use the printer, we need to do the keep with system, so the keep with job. So first we need to move up the carriage R, move to up position by press the up button from the control panel. And then we find to keep with tank with form, and the form must be the top edge must no less than 5 millimeter thickness over the edge of the palette of the brush palette to be sure the printing head can be connected well with the surface of the keep with form. One for white ink, one for color ink. So the top surface must over the top surface of the tank. Then we find out the clean solution, the keep with solution, not clean solution, but keep with solution. We fill to the keep with form for white and for color. Be sure we must put enough liquid, and this liquid must match with the ink. Different ink use different clean solution, and different brand ink use different solution, different clean solution. UV and water-based or DTF clean solution is totally different. So the clean solution must match with the ink formula and provide by the ink supplier. After we fill enough clean solution, and we can use the finger to touch it and to see if it have clean solution for both white and color, that will be good for keep with. And then we can put the ink tank with keep with liquid to the print head bottom. First, we put a wet paper on the top of the belt to prevent the ink leaking out, the damage, to make the belt dirty. Then we put the keep with tank with clean solution at the bottom of the printing head position. Please be sure the edge of the tank must surround at the middle and the center of the old printing head with good position at the middle of the printing head to be sure all printing head can be connected with. Then we keep with the wet ink printing head. We also do by the same procedure. Put the ink tank with clean solution at the middle of the wet ink print head. Be sure all the print heads can be connected well with the clean solution. And then we start to move down the print head by press down. We start to moving down the print head with carriage to make the print head moving down to connect well with the form. Sure. Then is keep weight finish. Be sure the color printing head, the dish does not move. fixed. And also the wet ink print head also connect. Not big move, little bit move is okay. And if it is loosen too much, we need to steer to moving down a little bit. We're moving down again, and we check it's locked, it's fastened. To be sure, all the wet head and the color head connect well with the keep with tank. The tank with clean solution and foam. And the print head connect well. The print head connect well for each head surround. Each print head surround with the keep with tank for each print head. Then we start to close all the value of the ink tank. Then we start to close all the value of the sub ink tank. Water level is open. Struct is closed. We close it. Or we must close. This way is closed. We already closed the old sub ink tank, and with print head surround, keep with wear. If your machine is DTF version, the ink tank is transparent. The value will be at the bottom of the ink tank, and we must be sure also close all the value of the ink tank here. We need to check the keep with tank with clean solution every day to be sure it have enough keep with liquid at the air tank. And if the clean solution liquid at the keep with tank is empty or dry, we must refill immediately to the tank to be sure it has enough clean solution stay at the form of the keep with tank to keep with the print head. It must be checked every day and every week. Then we can power off the printer. We need to power off the printer and remove everything from the table. And when we power off the printer, we still need to keep the general power connected. We need to keep the general power still have power on. Cannot pull out, because we need to use the negative pressure. We must be sure the negative pressure still have power supply. If it is no power supply to the negative pressure box, ink will be dropping. So we keep machine power off, but we must keep the negative pressure system must be working. This light must be on. And after we did the maintenance job, tomorrow when we back to work, we need to move up the carriage and clean the surface of the printing head and clean the surface of the head adapter board, aluminum board. And then we do some more cleaning, flushing job, then we start to print again. So this is all the procedure to keep with the print head. The procedure is move up the carriage with print head, and we put the keep with liquid on the tank and on the foam. The foam must over 5 millimeter. The gap or the thickness over 5 millimeter bigger than the tank edge. I put the tank with clean solution at the middle of the printing head, and then we're moving down the printing head to keep weight. And then we close the ink tank value switch for each tank, or the tank. And then we power off the machine, power the printer, but we keep the power supply for the negative pressure on. So this is all the procedure for keep weight. If you have any questions, please contact with focus support team. Please do not running this printer without full understanding the installation, using, and then maintenance job. Any question, please ask focus support team before your operation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.